Hello, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, today we're gonna continue our requirement analysis video for the new college, which is TU Berlin. In the previous video, we did a requirement analysis of TUHH for the course Communication and Information Technology and other things. But yeah, at the time when I also told you this will be my last video because I'll be shifting from Nuremberg to Allen now for my new work, and that's the reason this will be the last video, and I will be scheduling everything. In the next video you will see a different background in a different house. Other than that, if you still don't know me, this is the first video you're watching, then please don't forget to click like, share and subscribe, and also please share this video with the people who are in need so that they can also look into our videos, check for the requirement analysis, understand the requirement, look for that particular college application videos, then apply for themselves. Other than that, if you still need one-on-one session with me, then please don't hesitate to become a YouTube member. Then with the selected YouTube membership, you will also get one-on-one session with me, and I can also apply for you. Then it is completely easy for you guys to sit and watch. Other than that, without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told you, we are already do 92 search criteria, we got it, and we have already done around 55 colleges now, 56, and today we will be doing requirement analysis of TU Berlin or Technische Universität Berlin for global production engineering, which is a paid course of around 3,300 euros. But yeah, I am covering everything because we had added a criteria of 5,000 euro per semester. So people who are interested in this particular paid course, then please look into it. Other ones who are not interested, who don't want to have, then please move forward to other application or other requirement analysis videos. Now without any delay, we'll get started. So as I told you, Technische University of Berlin, which is also TU Berlin, which is also a major college, and it is also TU9 I guess, but I'm not sure. But yeah, it's also well famous, and Berlin is also a bigger industrial city where most of the people speaks more than 80% people speak English. But yeah, this is all about Berlin. But yeah, when you're studying here and it's a costlier city, getting an accommodation, everything is difficult. That's the reason I guess they have made a tuition fees of 3,900 euros around, and 15 or 16,000 euros is the entire study program. I would say this because it is completely inside the production engineering. Here they will also teach production management, engineering, everything. So you will be segregated into management stream, engineering stream, and other things. We will get to know that in deeper now. Overview: in the degree it is Master of Science Global Production Engineering MSc, then course location is Berlin, and teaching language is completely in English. Then all courses are taught in English, but German for engineers course is offered requested through the semester. So if you have a request of learning a German, if you want to learn a German, then please you can request. Then they will also taught that particular course, and they will also teach you German language skills. Full-time, part-time, it is completely full-time. Program duration is 4 semester. Beginning is only possible in winter semester, it's not possible in summer semester. Then application deadline is 31st March, and please note we only accept online application, ensuring the applicants are efficient application process. So this is the online application or application website that they use in order to apply. So we have, once application is open, once application is open, we have to come to this website and apply in this particular website of there. So this is the application website that they have, and here you can just see the tuition fees in semester is 3,900, but the 15,500 is the complete 4 semester course entire study program money. First semester or first installment you will pay 6,200 euros. Then in next 3 installment or 3 semester you will pay 3,100, which will completely counts up to 15,500 euros, or it is 16,000 euros for a round figure. Then combined degree program is not possible, joint degree program is also not possible, and you can learn about most of the things of global production engineering here, but I usually like to go and check in course details because that has a very good intuitive and very less information. Then GPA curriculum is defined highly flexible way in order to meet the individual requirements of student. As I told you, they have an individual requirement based on your profile. They will segregate, or you can only choose which stream you want to pursue. Student must earn 120 ECTS or credit points over a 4 years master science in global production engineering. GPE degree is divided into 5 module groups, which is 5 specialization you can call it. Once people who are interested in production industry, who want to pursue their master's thesis and specialization in production, they can choose into production. Wants to go into complete engineering stream where you will be learning about engineering stuff and other things, then you can go into engineering. Then the management stuff, intercultural communication stuff, and special profile, which is different. I don't know what is special profile means, but other 4 things, it is always straightforward if you want to pursue in management stream, engineering field, or production field. Okay, then each module group assigned so-called modules, and this will be your specialization, not even module, for easy understanding. Then the module usually consists of 1 to 4 courses. The curriculum is constantly reviewed to meet the needs of industry research, which will be updated every time. Then during the first semester, student must complete a worth of 90 ECTS, 30 ECTS per semester, or 30 credit points per semester. So people who are confused with credit points ECTS, it's always credit points is equal to ECTS. There is no mismatch or anything, because based on my research, for 1 ECTS there should be 30 hours of work has to be done. Okay, and in Indian system also, in order to gain 1 credit points in any of the college, you will be doing 30 hours of work. So in entire everywhere, the credit points is always equal to ECTS, because it's the same level of they're teaching that particular subjects. That's the reason credit points usually equal to approximately equal to ECTS, so don't need to confuse on that. And student can choose modules according to their qualification goals, provided that is a minimum number of credit points achieved in each module group. 2 additional compulsory courses must be attended: a workshop on intercultural communication and relations, as well as scientific working seminar. So you will be also do 2 compulsory courses that must be attended. That must be like an open elective, you will be choosing from another courses or specialization. Then each module corresponds to a certain number of credit points, while equivalence is based on the European credit ECTS. So here you can just see number of credit points whose equivalence or evaluation is based on ECTS. For each credit points, workload of 30 hours is expected, which I just told. So each credit points will also have 30 hours of work in that particular course, and ECTS is also approximately 32 hours of workload for 1 ECTS. So it's the same thing. Then which average in a workload of 37 during a semester week. Then workload English studies service hours, existent online meetings, blah blah blah, other things. Then in the 4th semester, you will do an internship of at least 9 weeks, which will count up to 12 ECTS or credit points. Then towards the end of master thesis or master program, you have to do a master thesis of 18 credit points, where you have to write a report and submit the presentation. And by combining the modules, approximately that degree can lead into following specialization: global manufacturing network planning, which is 1 specialization; production operation management; sustainable manufacturing; information communication technology manufacturing. These are the 4 specialization which you can choose wherever you want to pursue. If you want to know about more about these modules, you can click on this PDF download, and here you can just go into complete module description, whatever they are teaching, what is the qualification goals, what are their goals in this particular courses, then module title, what are the assessment that you are doing, then what are the research module, who is responsible. You can also look for this particular doctoral candidate who is teaching your courses, his profile in IEEE, what are the papers that he has published, what is his interest, what is his focus when he is doing or teaching your degree program courses. So this is how you usually get to know which specialization you can choose based on your interest. Then at the end of the degree, you will get a diploma supplement issued, that's for sure. Then international elements, you will have your international guest lecture and welcome event, other things. GPE is truly international program with students over 40 countries in last 20 years. So yeah, it is a very old course, and it is also very truly international course. Other than that, cost in funding, as I told you, you need to have a 3,875 euros average, but the total is 16,000. At first you will pay 6,200 euros, then each 3 semester you will pay 3,100. Approximately above that, 350 euros is the semester contribution, where you have to pay this. With this, you will as of now get the Deutschland ticket. When you don't have a Deutschland ticket, you will get the semester ticket in the Berlin itself. Then cost of living in Berlin is the highest, 1,200. So that would be costliest, because Berlin is the costliest city, and Berlin, Munich are the costliest city in Germany. And you know why? Because it's a industry hub and people hub. So that's the reason your estimated monthly expenditure will comes up to 1,200, but this is just an estimated. People can live beyond this and also above this. So yeah, in order to match with this expense, you will either have your blocked account which is already blocked, and that particular amount will be sent to you every month. Then you can also do a part-time job in order to support your finances. Funding opportunity in the university is possible. You can also apply for any of the scholarship. You can also go into this TU Berlin website, where you will also get the scholarship and other funding opportunity. Here are the information. Requirements and registration: you need to have a bachelor degree or equivalent, excellent grade, English proficiency, at least 1 year of professional experience. Having a professional experience of 1 year is mandatory because they have mentioned in the requirements itself. So please make sure you have experience, then only apply for this particular course. Then German language is not mandatory, it is advantageous. Okay, then if you are a person from any English language country, then you don't need to submit anything. But if you are from non-English as a mother tongue, then you need to have a IELTS of 6.5 above or equal, then TOEFL more than or equal to 79. Application deadline is 31st March, we already knew. Then we have to apply via this particular application website. Then application has to be submitted this particular website, which we already do. So once the application is open, I will show you how to apply for this particular course. Then in services, this is normal as usual, where you have the when you have got the admission, you will usually have the funding opportunity, finding a part-time inside the college itself. That's by having a heavy student assistant, research assistant under your professor. Then you can also search for the closely working companies that are with this particular college. Say example, here is the long list of Daimler, Rolls-Royce, Siemens, BMW, Fowey, Airbus, Boeing, etc. Then Hanover Fair, BMW, etc. These are the companies that will visit and closely working or funding the TU Berlin. So they will know about this particular college and know about the courses, know about the college reputation. Then they will provide work, student internship, thesis and other things. Accommodation: once you get an admission, please go into Student and Work Berlin and apply for there, then get a student accommodation. Then you are all set to start the course in TU Berlin. So you can also at last go into this particular about the university in order to get to know the history about that college, who are the alumni and other things. So this is what I just wanted to mention you guys in this particular course of Global Production Engineering in TU Berlin. So thanks for watching this video until here. As I told you, from next video my background will change because I will be doing video in my new apartment in Allen. So see you in next videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.